Hi guys, this is Kelly from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Pfaff 210 sewing machine. Okay, it's a German machine, like you can see here, made in Western Germany. I'll just run through the features quickly and also the threading. Okay, first it has double thread stand, which makes it capable for it to use the twin needle. It uses this cam. You can see I was able to get my hand a couple of this cam, and it goes in right to these chambers here. Alright, then it has other features. Now if you look closely here, this one is the needle position. It has the left, the middle, and the right. It has two inbuilt stitches, which is this and this one here, blind stitch. It has automatic buttonhole, which I'll be running through in a moment. So these are the automatic button. When you activate it, you can do your buttonhole just like I have here, here, and here. It also has the regular straight stitch, which is on 0, and when you want to turn it down to the zigzag, you use this. Okay, you just turn the dial down from 0 down to 5. Okay, now if you want to sew the disc cam, the S is for the disc cam. Okay, so that is pretty much about it. Here you have your stitch length regulator. It goes from 0 to about 4. Okay, so this is how you adjust it. Here is for your back stitch. Okay, if you want to back stitch, you just bring this down and you're back stitching. And also this is the tension. All right, I'll run through the threading. The motor is at the back of the machine. Okay, and also it uses the regular shuttle and the bobbin. Okay, something like this, and any of the bobbin, you can use that. Now this controls the feed dogs, which is this here. Okay, so when you take it down to 2, the feed dogs go up, and when you bring it down to 0, the feed dogs drop down when you want to do free motion embroidery. Okay, I just have to say this once again, these machines have been properly serviced and oiled, so it can work effectively. If you have this or you intend on getting this, always make sure that it's properly serviced. Okay, all right, so I'll go to the threading now, and I'll do some couple of stitches with the machine. Okay, I already threaded the machine. It's quite easy to thread. Okay, from the thread stand here, it goes through a small looper here, down to this place, then down to the tension. Okay, it just goes around the plate, tension plates there, down to this thread carrier, then it goes down to this loop, this loop, this loop, and you thread from front to back. It uses a front oscillatory mechanism. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so now in sewing your regular straight stitch, like I said earlier on, if you look at here, 0, this is the indicator here, 0 here shows you're simply sewing a straight stitch. Okay, so this is a regulator. I'll be using 3 or 3.5 depending on what I want to do. So once you're sewing now, okay, so there you have it. That was a regular straight stitch. Now if you want to sew the zigzag, okay, the regular zigzag, all you just have to do is come to this dial and turn this to 5, okay, or any of the numbers here, but for the purpose of the video I'll be using 5. Then you further reduce the stitch length so the stitches can come close. Okay, so let's say I'll be using, let's say 1.5. all right, so when I sew, sorry, see, that's a regular zigzag. Okay, you can further reduce the stitch length to get a more closer stitch. So I want to reduce this to like 1. All right, then okay, let's say I take it down to like about, there you have it, much closer zigzag. Now if you want to work with any of the stitches, the inbuilt stitches you have there, okay, let's say you want to work with this one here, this regular one, all you just have to do is just turn this dial to it. Okay, there's the indicator, and when you're sewing, so there you have it. Okay, that's the design. Now if you want to sew this other one here, you just simply turn it towards it and just bring it down. All right, so I want to further reduce the stitch length. All right, let's go. So there you have it. That's the design, which is this. Now if you want to sew any of this cam, I will quickly do that. All you have to do is just open this and you take this back to 0. Then you put, let's say I want to sew this particular design, you put that on the disc chamber. You just make sure this hole, this small hole here enters, there's a pointed elevation here, so you just put that in there and make sure it stays there. Then you come here and just turn this all the way to where you have S. Okay, that's S is for the disc cam. So when you sew now, whatever, take this back to 5. When you sew, whatever you have on the disc cam or on the disc chamber is what is going to come out. So I'll quickly do that now. There you have it. That's the disc cam. So if you want this also, you can also go in there. Okay, depending on your choice, and you can also get more disc cam to get more variety of designs that you want to do. Okay, so I'll quickly run through the buttonhole, and I think that'll be it. Okay, like I said, the machine has an automatic inbuilt buttonhole function. So firstly, if you look here, you know, buttonhole has 4 sides: the left, the right, the front, and the top and the bottom. So now in doing this, it was actually on S before. So if you want to do the buttonhole, make sure this is on 5, and you bring this down to, you just turn this dial to this. Okay, so this one sews the left hand side. Okay, so when you sew now for the buttonhole, okay, so you just turn this also to the middle, so the middle part, the down part, sorry. Then turn this to the left hand, the right hand side rather, so the right hand side. I'm actually using a transparent footer so I can be able to gauge the line where it goes properly. Okay, now you bring it, sew the up, just take it down here, you're good to go. Okay, so that's the buttonhole. You use your seam rib to, you know, just cut in between, and that's your buttonhole. So basically that's the Pfaff 210 sewing machine. I was able to do this, you know, as a sample for myself. You can actually use it to design whatever you want to do. It's a pretty strong machine, and of course German technology, precise. The seam are very perfect, and I recommend it any day, anytime. All right, thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.